What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. On today's recess activity, Recess Beerban posted on Instagram that she went on the event from Uniqlo. In Instagram post, she captioned it that it is the Uniqlo Clothing Project donating by Uniqlo Clothes. Which means that if you don't use the clothes, you can pass to those in need and reduce the amount of waste, and you can bring it to donate at all unique clothes. Roses Band was happy to went there to support the Uniqlo, and many fans were so happy to see her today. And she also got a new advertisement from Sparkle that brightens her teeth and gives us strong gums and protection. And yesterday, the new couple gives a sweet message to each other. Process Piban says that find a man that stares at you like you are the prettiest demon he's never seen in his life. And tagging with his one and only beloved boyfriend Adek. Adek Gimia replied it that he received a message from his devil princess. Today, Nadek Gimia was in his sports club together with his friends Mark Pint and Suti Henry. Dek was enjoying with friends and having a good time today.